Hi everyone, Paul Morbid here, Morbid Team Entertainment. I do want to give a shout out to my friend Abel of Pinoy Dreadman for this really cool hat he's given me. It's a bucket hat, and you can get these on his Facebook page at Pinoy Dreadman. For me doing experimental filmmaking and walking in the sun here in the Philippines is a big help. It fits on snugly and securely, and it doesn't blow off. Plus, the brim of it doesn't get in the way of my viewfinder, and that's really nice. It's also reversible. You can go from the multicolor inside and turn it out there and switch it back to the camouflage. Alright, so thanks a lot again, Abel of Pinoy Dreadman in the Philippines. You want some great dreadlocks? Come join him and get quality dreadlocks. Here we go. So lately I've been using my Bolex D8L, which is a non-reflex camera for those of you who are just starting out and getting into filmmaking. I come out to one of my favorite spots here in the Philippines to write and to check the lighting and different parts of my script pertaining to each scene. So with what I'm using my book to write on, later I type it out. Once it's all said and done, I take my Sekonic light meter. You can get these for relatively inexpensively. Just need to know how to use one, and you will need to know how to use one to operate and get the light meter setting correctly on your non-reflex Bolex cameras. So here's a good look at the area in the Philippines with all the nice banana trees. I come here to write, do a little bit of test filming and test the lighting. As you can see how beautiful it is. It's nice and relaxing, and definitely a place to get away from the house a little bit and do some writing, tweaking the script, and testing the filming and exposure of the light meter, stuff like that. You will need some peace and quiet to do your filming and writing. This is a great spot for me. You should find yours. So as you can see, why I come here to do some test shots, a little bit of writing, working on my script, and of course here again the exposure of the light meter settings. It's a great spot to do it. It's very relaxing and comfortable for me to get away from the house doing the writing and a little bit of change of pace. You should make sure to find yours as well, a nice quiet space. That way no one is interrupting you every 5 minutes at home. Alright? You can get really in depth into your filmmaking and writing. Which comes first? Paul Morbid of Morbid Team Entertainment. Do subscribe to our YouTube channel, like and share our videos. Join our Morbid Team Entertainment barter, buy and sell group, and put a like on the Morbid Team Entertainment page. Thanks a lot, and bye-bye.